large-scale bakery production solutions from CBB Bread Factory. CBB Bread operates an 8,000 square meter bakery factory and continues to expand. Developed in line with international standards, the facility supports large-scale production for both domestic and export markets, with a daily capacity of up to 300,000 products. A 5,000 square meter frozen storage system plays a key role in preserving raw materials, semi-finished products, and finished goods. Strict temperature control ensures consistent quality throughout storage and production. The factory layout is clearly organized into functional zones, allowing production processes to operate continuously while minimizing overlap and improving overall quality control. Manufacturing follows a closed production process, from raw material intake and processing to freezing, packaging, and storage. Each stage strictly complies with food safety and hygiene requirements, ensuring product consistency and reliability. Modern production lines, supported by an experienced international R&D team, enable CBB Bread to flexibly meet diverse product requirements as well as technical standards in both domestic and export markets. In parallel with manufacturing, CBB Logis provides an integrated logistics system. From frozen storage to dedicated in-house refrigerated trucks, temperature conditions are controlled throughout storage and transportation, ensuring product quality upon delivery. With certified factory standards, CBB Bread is a trusted partner, providing bakery and frozen dough solutions for both domestic and international customers.